What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new property to booking.com. So you want to head over to booking.com, of course, and on the upper right you'll have the option that says list your property, and you want to ensure that you sign into your booking account. So I'm going to simply click on list property. Now once you click on list property, it's going to take you over to the admin page of booking, and if you have ID to sign into your account, what you'll be able to see is just simply click anywhere on the page and you'll find the login on the upper right. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to simply click on my account on the upper right and just simply click on view my properties, or you'll see the option that says add a new property. So if you want to add a new property, you can click here to add new property by clicking your profile on the upper right hand side and click on add new property, or you'll be able to create a new listing, which is also a new property that you can see right here as well. So any option you choose to click to go to add a new property, you can do that. So from here, then from here, or also you can do it from the home page, which I showed you previously. So you can also do that as well from view my properties, because once you're inside of view my properties, you will see your current properties, and you'll also have the option again to add a new property. That's going to open up a brand new window, as you can see, and from here you can choose the type of property that you want to list, whether it's an apartment, whether it's a home, hotel, whatever it is. You can just simply go ahead and start listing your property. So if I want to list, for example, my home here, I can click and list this property, and I can choose if it's just a private room or entire place. You can do that. You can continue, and you can just basically choose whatever you want to basically fill for that specific property. You can choose that. Go ahead and follow the steps, choose what is right for your business, and once you do that, guys, you'll be able to quickly list the property that you wish to list. But that's how easy it is, guys. But that's basically it, guys, how you can easily go ahead and list a new property on booking.com. I really hope you found value here within this video, guys, and if you do, I'd appreciate if you give this video a like. Know in the comments below if you have any question, and hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. As you can see here, I've added unnamed property, but you get a general idea how you can add the second property. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.